the bold topics and I am Anandamai. Kejriwal faced a hard defeat in Bihar. UP and Bihar and then come West Bengal. 160 Lok Sabha seats come from these three states and a maximum migration also takes place from these three seats and a large population is also in Bihar and UP. The network in India is good, the market here is good, and foreign companies keep drawing to set up industries in India. It is because of this population and this market that big companies or big states sign with the levers of Bihar, UP and West Bengal. Now the intellectuals of these states who contribute to the development of the country are different. The country is also indebted to the poor section here, but the politicians are shameless. Because when it comes to election, they come to Bihar to seek votes, and when help is needed for these Biharis, they do not hesitate to show their inhumanity. Last time, when there was Bihar Assembly election, there was an outbreak of Corona. How was the condition of Bihari laborers and how much contribution the laborers of Bihar and UP have made to the country? And what is their plight? This Corona period exposed everything. At this time, there was a heated debate between the CM of Bihar and Arvind Kejriwal on the issue of migration. You must remember how the laborers left Delhi for Bihar. A labor had said that we have more faith in our feet than the government. There is election in Bihar and Kejriwal has come to Bihar to try to save the national status of his party, Aam Aadmi Party. Because after the defeat in Delhi, the government is left in only one state. Therefore, to save the national status of the party, it is necessary to have MLAs in some states at least. Now for this only, he has remembered Bihar. Kejriwal has insulted Biharis many times with his statements. This year, when there was an election in Delhi, Kejriwal said that 30,000 fake voters have been bought from Bihar and UP. Voters from Haryana and Punjab cannot come to Delhi for fake voting. Whereas these states are close to Delhi, fake voters were sold to be Biharis. Earlier in the year 2020, when there was Bihar Assembly and there was a lockdown in the month of May-June this year, at that time, Kejriwal had closed the borders of Delhi and said that if people from UP and Bihar come to Delhi for treatment, then the beds here will be filled. Today, the same Kejriwal will contest election in Bihar and is talking about implementing the Delhi model in Bihar. Kejriwal could not save Delhi. What will he do in Bihar? Seeing the workers reaching their home state by traveling thousands of kilometers in bicycle and carts. During this lockdown, it came to the fore again and again that the workers who run the cities are left to their fate in trouble. In Delhi, Purvanchal plays a very important role in forming the government of Delhi. These people from Purvanchal have contributed a lot in coming to power, returning to power, and ousting it from power. Kejriwal's party will run a campaign in Bihar. A movement will be organized for these whose tax hikes are being removed by BJP in Delhi. Kejriwal's public relations slogan is being given in Bihar. Prashant Kishore is being imitated. Kejriwal's campaign slogan is being raised in Bihar as well. A very attractive slogan of AAP is coming. Biharis will drive out the BJP from Bihar, which has driven Biharis from Delhi. Aam Aadmi Party is trying to understand the people from Purvanchal, not that work AAP has done for them. BJP also come with their model. Without their model, BJP could not return to Delhi. But whatever it is, the truth is that Kejriwal's power, which was in power for a record-breaking 15 years in Delhi, has been uprooted. Kejriwal's campaign in Bihar is being led by Bihar coordinator Rakesh Yadav. AAP had a well-established government in Delhi, so they could not save it. Now they have no public support or any ground in Bihar. In such a situation, Kejriwal will only become a vote cutter. He has come to Bihar to contest election, having insulted Biharis on many occasions and just 2 at a time when Biharis will come to Delhi for treatment and the beds in Delhi hospital will get filled.